Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a protective style in my hair. It's just some little twists that I just curled the ends. I actually did this myself and I'm quite proud of it. Like, it came out better than I expected. Like, this is the back. I did rather large sections just because I wanted it to be a fairly quick do without me having to spend 3 or 4 days doing it, because I'm not real used to putting weave extensions in my hair. I can, obviously, I just don't like to. I don't enjoy it. I'd rather sit and let somebody else do it while I watch TV or do whatever, just or sleep, because mostly I sleep while they do my hair. But yeah, I think it came out really cute. I'm just trying to get used to it. I'm used to having a lot more hair, but I wanted to do it like a bigger, easier style. Anyway, that is not the point of this video. So basically, I wanted to walk you guys through the steps of me preparing my hair for a protective style. This is something I have been doing since maybe a year after like my big chop. Once my hair got long enough to catch, and what I've noticed about the people I went to before I was natural compared to when I was natural. So this made the process a lot easier. I didn't have to worry about nobody ripping out my hair or not knowing how to handle my natural hair in its curly natural state. So I just go through this process every time, that way I can get my ends trimmed and all that stuff, so my hair is just totally prepared to grow its best without acting crazy. So okay, so the first thing that I do, I wrote a list. So if I'm looking over to the side, it's because and my hair feels totally, you know, soft, and it doesn't feel dry. It feels moisturized, which is weird. I never have blown my hair out and it still feels moisturized, like I just, you know, came out of deep conditioner or anything like that. If you don't want to use the oil, if you don't have a hair serum, you can use a heat protectant. That works just fine. You know, use that, and then I just blow dry my hair, and I get it not super straight, but I do get it as stretched as possible, for the simple fact that I don't want anybody to be able to rip through my hair or anything like that, which is the issue that I had, which is why I go ahead and blow it out, so there will be no issues with, you know, my hair. And that is pretty much how I prepare for a protective style. I blow it out, I let it make sure it's moisturized, has the adequate amount of protein in it, and yeah, and then I just go get it done. That is it. Please feel free to comment down below what you do before I protective styling, whether or not it's for like somebody else to do it, or if it's just you. You guys already know my go-to protective style is mini twists, which I do on my own, so I don't have to blow it out. I go between blowing it out and doing it on just damp hair, so you know that always varies how that comes about. But yeah, feel free to check out any of my videos on my protective styling tips. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications by clicking on the bell beside the I cannot talk. Beside the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.